Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadu mentan kejanmian, kesantarik ulber hadu kumba hakaporsan bajai ka kubor jong ke Ïasynrop lang hapadang ke NPP, ke UDP, ke Hspdp, ke PDF, ke BJP, bat away kurtong simet narilom garo, bantau Sorkar thamai. Ïatrei dang mentan kejanmian pan, ke jingwan sakmat, jong presiden ke Hspdp, uba adan mila basaiman, ban karan hakinong patai kubor. Lese kala ban penkelak Hong Kong ya kani kubor jong ka Ïatrei lang hapadang kini kiseng bantau Sorkar. Habakan hakinong patai kubor mentan kejanmian uba adan mila basaiman ulakran syai ba nakaliang ke Central Executive Committee jong ka Hspdp kamman satya dalairu ban Ïatrei lang bat ka kanhon kabaran ya kaseng BJP ban yadan bentalang bat kumjo wat kaseng Kongres. Kumta karai ka bakado menta kasyong haki arngot ki MLA jong ka Hspdp lakin sngap bat kaungon ya kara jugino ilam bahalor jong ka Hspdp.
From the party, from the Hspdp, we would like to inform that we have just met the leadership of the United Democratic Party, expressing our disappointment and disagreement as far as the proposal made by the UDP for the chief ministerial candidate. Because this decision was taken unilaterally by the United Democratic Party without consulting its partner in the alliance. So we feel that it is not the job of the alliance to decide who will be the leader of that will lead the government from the NPP. And we have also expressed our reservation as far as BJP is concerned, because the stand of the Hspdp right before the election till today, we have made our stand very clear that we would love to have a non-Congress and a non-BJP government. So we see that there is a possibility to have a non-Congress and a non-BJP government where NPP, Alliance, PDF and others without BJP and Congress can easily form the government. So this is what we would like to inform the media so that the people through this news item will be able to know the stand of the Hspdp as far as the formation of government in our state is concerned. In fact, we didn't expect that the UDP will propose the name of Conrad Sangma as a chief ministerial candidate, especially without consulting its partner in the alliance. And we don't feel that it is the job of the UDP or the Hspdp for that matter to advise the NPP who will be its leader. It is the duty of the NPP to choose its own leader. It is not our job. It is not our business to decide who will lead the NPP as its leader.